Stork's secret weapon: how they hunt fish. Storks are truly remarkable birds, especially when it comes to hunting. These large wading birds aren't just graceful in their long, legged strides. They possess a surprisingly precise and effective fishing technique. Unlike many birds that rely on scooping or diving, storks often employ a method akin to spearing. They stand motionless in shallow water, patiently observing the movement of fish below. Then, with an incredibly swift and accurate thrust of their long beaks, they'll spear their prey. It's a display of remarkable focus and coordination, honed over generations of adaptation. This technique allows them to capture elusive fish that might otherwise escape notice. The speed and accuracy are genuinely impressive, making each successful strike a testament to nature's ingenuity. Storks are truly remarkable birds, and it's easy to overlook just how specialized they are as hunters. While we often picture them wading gracefully in shallow waters, their success isn't simply about legs. It's all thanks to that incredibly unique bill. It's a complex tool perfectly adapted for aquatic foraging. The long, pointed shape allows them to probe deep into mud and vegetation, searching for hidden prey like fish, amphibians, and invertebrates. And notice the serrated edges along the inside. These act almost like tiny rakes, helping them grip slippery catches. They can even use their bills to stir up sediment and uncover buried food sources. This combination of probing depth, gripping power, and sensory ability makes their bill a vital asset for survival. You might notice a stork's bill is incredibly long and prominent. It's certainly an eye-catching feature. But it's much more than just for show. It's actually a remarkably effective tool. Storks are opportunistic feeders, meaning they'll eat almost anything they can catch, including fish. And when hunting in shallow water, that bill transforms into a precision instrument. They use it to quickly and accurately strike at unsuspecting prey submerged beneath the surface. It's an incredibly fast movement, often happening so swiftly you might miss it. The shape and length are perfectly adapted for this underwater hunting technique. Take a closer look at that beak. It's truly an engineering marvel. You'll notice it isn't just one simple shape. Instead, it's a fascinating combination of sharp edges and a subtly concave curve. This unique design isn't random. It plays a vital role in how storks hunt. The sharp edges help them grip slippery fish, while that slight inward curve creates something quite remarkable: suction. As the stork plunges its beak into the water, this suction effect actively pulls the fish towards its mouth, making capture much easier and more efficient. An amazing adaptation for survival. Storks are masters of stillness. You'll often see them standing perfectly motionless in shallow water or sprawling across marshes, sometimes for what seems like an incredibly long time. This isn't just laziness. It's a highly effective hunting strategy. They possess remarkable patience, blending seamlessly into their surroundings as they wait for unsuspecting fish to swim within striking distance. Their legs are surprisingly strong and adapted for this kind of prolonged standing, allowing them to remain perfectly poised, ready to launch a lightning-fast attack when the opportunity arises. It's truly fascinating to witness such an elegant display of natural precision. Storks are remarkably skilled feeders, And one particularly fascinating technique they use is what we call spearing. It's more than just a peck, it's a rapid thrust of their long bill downwards with incredible force and precision. You might be surprised at the speed they can strike with impressive accuracy to catch small fish, amphibians, or even insects hiding in vegetation. The power behind that bill isn't brute strength alone, it's also about incredibly precise muscle control, allowing them to target their prey effectively. It's a testament to how specialized these birds are for their diet and habitat. This unique hunting technique allows storks to thrive in environments where smaller birds simply can't compete. They use a mesmerizing foot patting motion on the water's surface, creating ripples that disorient and confuse their prey. It's not just random tapping, they carefully adjust the rhythm and intensity based on water conditions and what they're trying to flush out, often minnows or tiny crustaceans hiding near the bottom. These little creatures are incredibly fast and agile, making them nearly impossible to catch with a simple grab. This foot patting method essentially creates a temporary trap, bringing these elusive meals right within striking distance. It's fascinating to consider that even within the stork family, hunting strategies aren't always uniform. You see, storks are incredibly adaptable birds, and their approach to finding a meal often depends heavily on what's available and where they live. For example, white storks in open grasslands might rely more on quickly spotting fish or amphibians near shallow pools, using a swift dash and grab technique. In contrast, black storks inhabiting dense forests often need to patiently stalk along riverbanks, carefully probing the water with their beaks for hidden prey, sometimes even extending their reach quite far underwater. This difference in habitat dictates how they hunt, demonstrating a clever adjustment to local conditions. It's fascinating to observe how young storks develop their skills, especially when it comes to finding food. They don't instinctively know how to fish effectively. Instead, they learn by watching their parents. These chicks meticulously study the precise movements, the head dips, the leg placements, and the timing of a strike, all demonstrated repeatedly by experienced adults. It's truly remarkable to witness this process of imitation as these young birds gradually refine their technique through trial and error, mimicking what they've seen. This isn't just about individual learning, it's a form of cultural transmission where behaviors are passed down from generation to generation within the stork population. Each fishing method becomes ingrained in their local tradition, shaping how they survive and thrive. The stork's predatory skills are truly fascinating when you consider how evolution has shaped them. For centuries, we've often pictured storks as gentle giants, symbols of new life and good fortune. However, their history reveals a far more complex hunter. Their long legs aren't just for wading in shallow waters, they provide the reach needed to ambush fish and other small animals hiding amongst reeds or undergrowth. Similarly, that impressive beak isn't solely for delivering babies, a charming myth. It's a powerful tool used with incredible precision to snatch prey from surprising distances. Their keen eyesight allows them to spot movement from afar, and their coordinated movements demonstrate an efficiency honed over generations of natural selection. Observing how a stork stalks its dinner truly highlights the elegance and power that can arise when survival depends on adaptation.